Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. And Leonie is with me. So what we're going to do is a cardio workout today, an intense athletic cardio workout, and it's going to be really intense. So watch it, and you can do it in any apartment. So we're going to use that. That's the ramp for the parking. We're going to use that a bit, and then we go back doing few other things. Watch it till the end. It's pretty intense, and you can start doing that. Right. The first workout, what we're going to do is we're going to walk down that ramp, and we're going to run back up. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So every time Leonie gets to run 10 times. It's close to about 100 meters, and it's a steep incline. So it's a wonderful workout. And you sprint, not jog. You literally sprint full speed all the way up. We're going to do 10 sprints of 100 meters, and watch it so you'll know. So there she is, sprinting all the way up, and yes, she gets to walk back when she does that. Yeah, there she goes. So that's the fourth round of running all the way up. Okay, the next exercise, you need to go sideways. Okay, the side shuffle run. So you go up all the way, and then come back walking and change sides. So that's what we're gonna do. So it's an intense workout. Let's try it out. So now starting on the other side, and so go all the way up. So any apartment has these kind of ramps, which has a parking in the basement, so you can use that, use these exercises. It can be really good. Alright, we did 5 rounds of that, and then had 5 rounds on each side. So we are going for the next exercise now. Okay. The amazing part is I get to work out as well. It's pretty intense, but it's worth it. It's worth pushing. So now what we're going to do, so next, we're going to go all the way doing this lunge walk. We're going to go all the way out. We're going to do 5 rounds of that. It's going to be intense. That's her reaction.
I'm happy.
Yeah. The best part of training Leonie, we are going completely natural. We are doing only exercise and natural food, not even a single box of any other supplements. So we're not doing anything unless she requires one. We're not going to subscribe anything. We're going to maintain it in food. So we're going to see what kind of food will supplement her exercise. That's what we're gonna do every time. That's something which you need to follow as well. Stay natural, stay fit, breathe fresh air once in a way. So we're gonna do this twice a week outside, and we're gonna do a lot more weight training outside as well. Alright guys.
Yes.
Yeah, finished here in the parking lot. Now we're gonna climb stairs. So we're gonna go climb all the way up.
10th floor.
Yeah, 10th floor. There are 13 floors I heard. So we'll attempt 13 very soon. We'll try to do 10 today, and then spike it up to 13 floors. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll start the weight training, which I'm not going to record in this video because you've seen quite a few weight training with us. But yes, we will be doing quite a few in the park, so you will see those coming soon. The stair climbing will be the last video, but I'll tell you why it's important to watch it. Watch the stair climbing video. Alright guys, we've reached the, yeah, she's ready. So that's the stairs going for 10 floors. Now what you need to watch is the foot. The foot, knee, hip is in one straight line always, and you keep climbing. Okay? So to see, watch your foot, it's always straight. Do not change your footing. So keep climbing. 10 floors. So we reached the first floor now. We'll meet you at the 10th floor, and we keep going up. So reach the 9th floor. One more. Just one more. Finally, 10th. Finally, we're back at the apartment. Now we're going to start the weight training session for about 20 minutes. So it's an intense workout. It's a combination of abs and kettlebell. So it's going to be there. See you in another video. Watch and subscribe, share, like. And Leonie says bye.
Bye.
We'll catch you.